Hello, hello. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Hello, hello. Welcome in. Hello. Come on, goofball. Dun, 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 dun. Hello, hello. Welcome in. Hey, good morning. Dior, Todd, Shane, welcome in. Hello, good morning.
Searching for music for your next video? Then you need to check out Artlist. With amazing new music. Order filled.
Daniel, Sammy, welcome in. Kevin, welcome in. Shop with Brian, D'Angelo, Dorf, D Cartel, Tony, Strickland. Hello, hello. What do you know? It's the Swag Show. Good morning. Good Monday money making morning. Hello, hello. Thank you for being here. How is everybody doing on this fantastic Monday morning? I hope you all made your money already. But if not, that's okay. Stick around for the next 2 hours. I will show you how BoldBot, a semi automated trading algorithm, can help you do that. Right now, we are not in any trades except Vizzy Short. Vizzy Short is in a trade. Let's try and pull up Vizzy Short. That's Vizzy Long. Get Vizzy Short over here. And of course, as soon as I pull it over, it cancels. Imagine that. It's alright. Maybe Vizzy Long will want to take a trade then. It's got to pull back quite a bit for that. Nothing in the trade, but hey, good morning, good morning. PBV NQ night, $1,200 winner last night. The ranges have not gone off yet. Let's check and see what is going on. Actually, NQ new is in a trade, but it's a no play today. So we're not going to worry about that. NQ later. Soon to come. Do you know anything about Fortress Bio? No, I do not. Hey, Dennis, good morning. How are you? Yorkie, Dennis, Bills, Live BoldBot, Dub, Crawford, the Prince of Pips. Hello, Brenda. Welcome. Logwin. I don't know. Anyway, no, I don't know anything about what Fortress Bio means. Ender Sidhu. Welcome. Manny, Nina Stemple. Hello, hello. What do you know? It's the Swag Show. Thank you for being here. I appreciate each and every one of you hanging out on this beautiful Monday morning, October 28th, 2024. You're watching BoldBot, a semi-automated trading algorithm for the futures market. My name is Kyle. This is the Swag Show. What do you know? I go live Monday through Friday, 10:30 to 12:30 Eastern Standard Time. If you want more information, please just email boldbotllc@gmail.com. Somebody will get with you quick, fast, and in a hurry. If you were doing any better, they'd put you in jail. Well, let's not have that. Let's not do that, Dennis. Let's not do any better then, I guess. Let's just keep doing good enough to stay out of jail. But hey, keep tapping that screen if you know what I mean. Jelly bean till your fingers turn green. Help me, help you, help others. Safi, welcome. Slow, welcome in. NQ Visual Short in a short $345 right now just popped up. Hello, good morning over on YouTube. Make sure you drop a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, leave a comment down below. Let me know you're enjoying the stream. Big move down here now on NQ. $2,000 take profit is the blue line. If it gets there, we'll be just fine. Right in time. Big moving on down here. Money Monday, big money Monday, Magic Mike. Yes, indeedy, Pumpkin Seedy. Hit that one manual trade right off the get-go from the student play of the day. We gave a short alert this morning in the student channel. It was to go short right at 6:59, 57, 56, somewhere in there. And we got about 30 points out of it. So, yeah, I'm done manually trading for the day. Now I'm just going to let the algorithms do their job, do their work. And stress-free, hands-free, that's the way to be. Don't have to mentally be involved with it at all. Good morning, Benji, Investor Antoine, Claudio. Welcome in, Jean Cedeno. Dragon Dad Mike got it. I'm sure Future Scalper got that drop this morning right out of the... Yeah, brother. Hello, brother from another mother in Hawaii. He's got the beautiful weather out there, I'm sure. It's crazy here. 30 one day, 80 the next, then back down to 60 for Halloween. So this week it'll warm back up for the next 2 days and then drop on Halloween. But yeah, student play of the day, about 30 points. The play was once it got below 20,600. Look for a pullback to 596 and then take the short, and boy, did it work out fantastic. Dropped all the way down to 20,557. Very, very nice 30 or 40 point drop there. Wild swings on the temperature out there. Oh, you mean here? Yeah. That's the Midwest. It is crazy, crazy temperature swings from one day to the next in the Midwest for sure. Alex G, yeah, it was a short given in the student play this morning. Let me put this in this chat real quick here. Delete that. In Indiana, 65 today, 80 next 2 days, 60 on Thursday. Yeah, I'm right next door to you. And it's about that same thing. It's about that same crazy Midwest weather over here. We'll see if this short continues. Looks like it could hit the top of the chop and drop it like it's hot. So we shall see what's going to happen here. There is an option to get only the alerts. Yeah, if you just want the manual alerts, guys, we have options for just getting the manual alerts as well. Click on my Linktree profile. There's a $500 option for the premium and a $100 option for the standard algorithms. Angela, hello. Sean, good morning, good morning. Rad Dad on the YouTube, welcome in. What do we got going? We got visual Santa not in a trade at the moment. We'll see if he can pick up on something. We'll see if he can pick up on what NQ's trying to put down and get in the right direction. It's kind of been up and down, up and down, up and down, but let's bring in over here NQ visual long. There's 315 on NQ visual long. He is green on the day. New range is in its second trade of the day. Even though it's a no on Monday, I still run it just to see what happens. But I do not have it on my live accounts, thank goodness, because it did take a loss on the first trade. Emmett, no problem. Can you see that? Let's see here. There we go. Maybe that's a little bit better there. $420 now on NQ Visual Long. That is a premium strategy algorithm. Another NQ Visual Long right here. Green $280, $300. Somewhere in that neighborhood. It is green on the day. 100, 200 right now. Live. But when NQ Visual Long and Short are both in a trade at the same times, you know what your boy says. Choppy, choppy. Came all the way back up here to the top of our proprietary, or it's actually the bottom of the chop zone. So we'll see what happens here. If it's going to continue all the way up, it is now all the way up into our chop zone here. So definitely not manually trading. I'm done manually trading for the day. I took my one and done. Got a nice short from that student play earlier, right at the open. And now I'm just letting the algorithms work for me. I have NQ later, NQ day waves, ES afternoon waves, all of those on my live accounts. We shall see what happens. All right, so took profit there. Or no, that was a loss, right? No, it took profit. Took profit there, yeah. Okay. So it's green 25 on the day. Now we're into another trade here. Santa's in a trade as well. What's Santa in a short? Yep, Santa's in a short green, $125. 105, 150, 170 guaranteed green when it moves the line like that. And $140 profitable trade there by Santa. Back over to visual long. Remember, guys, if you want more information, please email boldbotloc@gmail.com. Vizzy long, vizzy long. Thank you for hanging out, man. Good morning. Good Monday morning. I don't know. It's just one of those weird Monday mornings. Big drop at the open. Now it's kind of pulling back to the top of the chop zone. Might be an H pattern heading our way. And continue to drop. If you want more information about the algorithms, please email the email that's on your screen, boltbotllc@gmail.com. My name is Kyle. This is the Swag Show. I go live Monday through Friday, 10:30 to 12:30 Eastern Standard Time, showing you live futures market trading with BoltBot, semi-automated trading algorithm in the futures market. If anybody watched any football, I don't want to hear about it this weekend because I am very upset and distraught over the horrific play calling by my Chicago Bears, the Bears, and the horrific last second play that they allowed, a 65-yard Hail Mary from the Washington Commanders to win the game. Very upset about that. My Illini, they didn't look good at all against Oregon. But Notre Dame did. Notre Dame continues to roll on people. That one loss to Northern Illinois was a fluke. But yeah, here we are. Monday morning, making money, back at it. So we'll go from here. do daily payouts? Take profit trader. I've seen people talk about. Yes, I guess you could do daily profit. Daily take profit. Blah, blah, blah. Thoughts on BA? I don't know what that is. What's BA? 654 is top of zone on lower time frame. It's bullish on higher. It's bear play. Yeah, it's kind of stuck. And weren't we there like Friday, Shane, at that same level, that 654 level or something? I don't know. That number that number just rings a bell in my head. Oh, on Boeing, I have no idea. Disguised Joker, I don't do stocks, options, cryptos, forex. All I focus on is the futures market. Hey, Andrew, hello, welcome in. Remember, guys, if you haven't already messaged me on TikTok and you want to get entered in to the drawing for the 1 free month of standard algorithm subscription, make sure you send me a DM. I'm writing everybody on a notepad, and then I'm going to put it into a random algorithm generator thingamabobber that will pick one lucky winner on Halloween for a free month. So, Andrew, I got you on there for sure. I remember your name. There's like only 7, 8 people right now, so. I haven't checked X lately, though. There might be more people over on on X, but on TikTok. Peter, I haven't drawn yet. Not until Halloween. But I'm pretty sure I got you on the list. Let me double check my list. Uh, doo, doo, doo. Peter, are you on TikTok too? Or are you just on YouTube? I'll put you on the list on YouTube. But you got to send me a message somehow, some way. Even if it's over on X, which is the old Twitter, or on TikTok. But yeah, I'm drawing on Halloween. I made a silly little video. I don't know if anybody's seen it. But if you could share it. Oh, okay. Yeah, I got you down then. You just different names. I got you. I got you down for sure. Yep. Did anybody even see that little short clip? Me being silly, funny. It's some of my impersonation voices I like to do, you know, like Count Dracula. Ah, ah, ah. What are your TikTok and YouTube usernames? I can't find you. Dr. Malik. It should be boldbot underscore Kyle. Boldbot underscore Kyle. Let me put it on the screen. Oops. Bold bot underscore Kyle. On YouTube, I just go live on the main Bold Bot page, but on TikTok and X and all that fun stuff, it's BoldBot underscore Kyle. Or it could be at I Love Vegas and the Cubs, but it shouldn't be that anymore. So, Isaac's dad, 24, welcome to the Swaginators. Mount up. Thank you for the follow. I appreciate it. And I'm also going to be doing a giveaway when I hit 5,000 members on TikTok. So, keep on tapping that screen if you know what I mean. Jelly bean till your fingers turn green. Help me, help you, help others. The more viewers I get, the more people I might be able to help. Short. Vizzy Short caught this short. Let me flip it over to that real quick here. Show you. You're welcome. No problem. Thank you for being here. Thank you for tuning in and watching my silly stuff happen each and every day here on the futures market. I go live Monday through Friday, 10:30 to 12:30, hanging out with you, showing you live futures market action trading using both bot and manual trading. Sometimes I'll give you a manual play. Out of the kindness of my own heart, I will give you a play, but this is not trading advice. This is not financial advice. This is strictly entertainment purposes only, which I need to put on. I probably need to put that on my TickTok. I forgot. I need to create another thing on TickTok that says that. That way nobody gets confused. I think I have it on YouTube. I don't remember. Do I? I might have removed it on accident. Not trading advice for entertainment purposes only. Okay, good. I do have it on YouTube, so. Oh, Wally's stuck. My robot vacuum cleaner. It's stuck in the rug or something. Who knows? It's good on most surfaces, but if it like changes from the hardwood over to the carpet and then onto like the area rug, sometimes it gets caught, or it's caught on one of the kids' toys. But it's really handy. I don't have to get up and vacuum. I don't like cleaning the house like that. I do have to clean the bathrooms after these boys, though. When you got young boys and they're learning, you guys know. All right, let's see. Santa in a trade. Yep, Santa's in a trade. We got this visual short. We're just going to watch, though. $580 now. $550. We'll see if it can continue down and fill the gap. 11 o'clock candle opens right at that 20,571 level that has now been hit 3 times on a 15-minute candle. So that might be a level of interest to look out for. Anybody else see that on a 15-minute candle? The bottom of the wick has been right at that 571 level 3 times now and can't get beyond it. But there it goes. There she blows. Down, down, and away. Look at that, baby. Hey, hey, show me the money. Show me the money. $1,000 now on NQ Visual Short. It took it all the way up there at 20,601, guys. Yes, indeedy, pumpkin seedy. If you aren't greedy, you can make a lot of money, honey. Ain't nothing funny to make that money. Thank everybody for being here. I appreciate each and every one of you hanging out on this magnificent Money Monday on the futures market. My name is Kyle. This is the Swag Show. What do you know? I'm your host. We'll see if it can continue down here or if it's going to hit the stop loss, which will take it at about an $800 profitable trade here. $2,000 is the blue line down at the bottom of the screen. That's a full take profit on NQ Visual Short, one of the premium strategy algorithms brought to you by BoldBot. And if you want more information, please email boldbotllc@gmail.com. I hope everybody had a fantastic weekend. I hope you had fun with your friends and families and loved ones. I did. Took my kids to the Zooly Gooly. It's a little like trunk or treat thing that they have at the local zoo here. Got to walk around and get a bunch of crap for them, and yeah. Then we went to a cookout that night, a little bonfire, and watched a movie outside. Froze our little butts off. But the kids had fun, so. And yesterday we just kind of hung out, watched some football, went over to some friend's house, played outside. They were cleaning up the yard, had a big fire over there. And yeah. Yeah, Rad Dad, this is NQ Visual Short. So it's Visi, or the line algorithm, and the strategy is Visual Short. So it is $1,500 a month for the premium algorithms, but look at this. This one strategy has already pretty much made you that in one day. So 100% worth it. And remember, we have a referral program if you're a member of BoldBot. The more people you refer and have them sign up, the more free months of the algorithm you get. So if you're looking into prop firms right now, Fast Track has their sale going back on. Tradeify has their sale going on. Apex has a sale going on. I have affiliate links with all three of them. So make sure you click on my Linktree app in my profile and head on over and get yourself a prop firm account, or 2 or 10 or however many you want. I finally got myself a Tradeify account today. Well, I got it yesterday, but I traded with it live this morning. I made $677 in it. And I'm up 742 on all 10 of my Apex accounts. So great day so far. The algorithm's still to come. NQ later, NQ day waves, ES afternoon. We'll see if any of those can add to the profits. All right. What was that? Anything in a trade? ES London waves. How is that still in a trade? I guess it's still in a trade. Back to the slow and steady on these silly Apex. On this Apex evals, that's all right. I'm going to buy 10 and I'm going to show you. I'm going to go slow and steady from here. We're not going to try and trade and stream anymore. We're going to let the algorithms do that. I might take a manual trade every once in a while, but it's not going to be a big sizing on stream. I'll tell you that. I just got to focus too much when I do that. But I will give you what I think would be a good trade every once in a while. Like right now, I don't really see anything perfect enough to mention it. But if it pulls back to like 579-ish, you could probably go short at 568 and be okay, 558 and be okay. But this is not trading advice. This is just me showing you the algorithm and mentioning what I see might happen. But there's a looks like it could continue down. Like I said, it completes the H pattern there. Pretty much already completed the H pattern like I called out at the beginning of the show. If you look at a 15-minute time frame on NQ, that's what you call a perfect H. Okay, a couple of big red candles going down, and then a pullback to a level, tweezer topped off with a doji, and then hammered back down to complete the H pattern. And it's a small H, like bloop, bloop, you know what I mean? But yeah, I'm done. I'm not going to take any manual trades anymore. We're just going to let the algorithm run here. We'll see if NQ later. I'm going to pull that up and see where it's sitting at. If it's close to taking a trade. Oh yeah, it's really close. If it gets below 528, it will take a short. Let's see, anything 528 to 516, that's 10, 12 points. That should be enough, right? Maybe. It might be cutting it close on later. We'll see. It's my first day user, so I mean, I don't know yet. I mean, I made money with it today. I made $677 on my Tradeify account. So as long as I can do that for the next 10 days, that'd be pretty good. And then as long as they pay out right away, as soon as I request a payout, I wouldn't have an issue with it. Or, you know. So we'll see. Snee, I see you. Welcome in. Welcome back, my friend. How are you? Hello, my friend. We meet again. It's been a while. Where should we begin? It feels like forever. What else is in a trade? Anything? Oil, Oracle? Let me see. Where's that at? Here it is. I found it. Here, look. I'm going to show you this because this is pretty cool. Oil Oracle. $370 on Oracle oil. The only other thing in a trade right now is ES London Waves. But I like the background of this one better. And it's in a bigger trade. $1,000 take profit here. If it can get up to the blue line. So did everybody have a good weekend? Did you watch football? Did you see the Bears blow it? Super upset and disappointed about that. Illinois, I didn't think would get ran over the way they did. But Notre Dame sure ran over Navy. Or whoever they were playing. One of the armed forces. Dust my computer off with my sock here. That's always healthy, right? Anybody else having a fantastic Monday? I hope so. I'm having a fantastic Monday so far. I was even nice to the ex-wife. I gave her a ride to the hospital. She had to have some type of surgery or procedure done. And then she already texted me and said she was done. And I said, well, I can't pick you up till like 12:30. So you know how that goes. You try and be the nice guy and then turns around and bites you in the ass. But whatever. We're here. We're hanging in. CL Oracle Oil, a.k.a. CL, is in a long $390 in the green. Keep tapping that screen if you know what I mean, Jelly Bean, until your fingers turn green. Help me help you help others. The more people that can see the stream, the more people I might be able to help. Let me squeeze this a little bit here for you. There we go. 1111, make a wish. I wish I had $10 million. Anthony, welcome in. NQ Open killed it last night. I didn't even have it set up and going because I had my boys. But yeah, I hope everybody turned off NQ. Well, NQ new range, it says is green 350 now. So it must have taken like 1 loss and 2 wins. Is that right? I thought it took a loss. Maybe I'm tripping. I don't know. Anyway, it shows it's green on my chart. I thought it was red, but anyway, we're waiting on NQ later. We're going to see if it can drop under here. NQ open was a win last night. Let's see. That's the wrong browser. Okay, so they have it as a $100 win. No RTY night. NQ new is no play today, but it's green. It shows 350 on my chart now. I don't know how, but because I thought it was red 1,000. But anyway, whatever. Venezolano trading. Welcome to the Swagonators Mount Up. Thank you for being here, my friend. I appreciate it. If you guys want more information or you want to join the BoldBot family, please just email boldbotllc@gmail.com. Right now, $500 for the first month, $1,000 a month after that for the standard algorithms. Otherwise, we have the premium algorithms that are $1,500 a month. We also have manual alerts, standard and premium, either $100 or $500 a month. And we have a digital mentorship. Lauren's digital mentorship is $1,500 for a one-time cost. Study at your own pace. Come be part of the student section. Get the student morning Zoom call like I did. Made 30 points on the short that was given in the student call this morning. Each and every day. So there was one night I used max contracts on my 25 accounts and I got an alert of sell limit. I wanted to know, can I raise the limit? You can change the amount of contracts, yeah. If you want to change the amount of contracts, you can, but you got to be okay with it taking a loss as well. You got to know if your account can handle it taking a loss. So if you're just going to stick to the MicroStrategy game plan we talked about, you shouldn't be doing that, but you do what you want to do. We're just here to guide you, but you can do whatever you want. Just don't come crying to us if you lose it all. Does the stop trail on that? Yeah. On Oracle? Yeah, it does. Yeah, see, here's the stop loss right here. You can move it up as tight or as close as you want. For the digital mentorship, Saturn. I don't know how much. I think she charges. I don't know how much she charges for the one-on-ones anymore. But the digital mentorship is a one-time cost. You get access to like 6 hours worth of training videos. Then you do your homework. You submit the homework to make sure you're understanding everything. You get access to the student call, the manual alerts, the proprietary chop zone, the student play of the day for 1 month. And then after that, you can continue with the algorithms or just with the student group, whatever you want to do. And I think it might even come with the Vegas videos as well. Let's see, Santa, where are you at? In a trade. Yep, Santa's in a short here. Green was $140. And that's the thing with Santa. You got to catch them, and then you got to move your stop loss wherever you want it to lock in that profit. Okay, I could move it real close, or I could let Santa move them on its own. But if I wanted to lock in some profit, I should just drop it right there. But we're just going to show you what it does on its own here. Apex, 80% off right now still. Code SWAGSHOW. You can also go over to Tradeify, follow the link that is in my link tree or on the page there on YouTube, as well as Fast Track. Still waiting on them to come over to NinjaTrader, but you could still get them now and have them set up, ready to go. If you wanted to trade them manually through Rhythmic, you can, but I'm waiting on them to come to Tradeovate and NinjaTrader myself. Jerry, hey Kyle, good morning. Do you help out with the setup of the bull bot? Yes, Jerry, we do that. There are videos that walk you through it, but then we also have an admin. Her name is Irma. She will help you. And then once you get done with her, you'll have a Zoom call with me to go over the game plan that you want to create for yourself. I will explain the MicroStrategy game plan that we have set up for the new members. If you want to follow that, it's projected to win around $3,000 a month per account. So yeah, we help you every step of the way. Completely hands-on white glove service. And the more people you tell, the more free months you get. So yeah. Keep on tapping that screen if you know what I mean, Jelly Bean, until your fingers turn green. Help me help you help others. Good morning. My name is Kyle. This is The Swag Show. I go live Monday through Friday, 10:30 to 12:30 Eastern Time every week, showing you live futures market action trading. What's Flowbots? Flowbots is Replicanto. It is a copy trader called Replicanto. And that way you can copy trade all your accounts. And it makes it really simple and easy because you just click the boxes on there. You can create new tabs for each strategy. And yeah, I like it. And a lot of people in the group use it now. So, hey, Taylor, what's happening? Tay, my Santa is not in a trade. Strange. Sean, you got to remember I'm delayed probably by 10 seconds. I think TickTok is delayed by 10 seconds, so don't get confused. If you're not in it yet, it might be coming here shortly. What the hell's going on with this screen? Why is it so big? Ah, that's not what I wanted to do. There we go. There we go. All right. You guys weren't able to see it so well. So Kentucky, I hope that made sense. I hope you understood what I was trying to tell you there. Flowbots is just a company that provides Replicanto, which is the trade copier. So it makes things, especially when you have 27 different strategies running, and you know, if you had 20 or 30 accounts, you could easily copy over using Replicanto. So no problem, Jerry. You're welcome. Thank you for being here. Thank you for the questions. Thank you for the camaraderie and interactions. Okay, Santa is out of that trade. Green $200, something like that. Nothing else right now in a trade, guys. If you can believe it. I know, it's hard. Yes, London Waves is still in a trade. We're going to have to minimize that. We might have to close that out. Well, no, not really. We don't have to close it out. Zoom, I don't need you open. You can get closed. Where is later? Later's still in the zone of no trade. So we'll see what happens. Danny Daniel, welcome in. Hello, good morning. Thank you for being here. See if Santa can catch this short here. Long. Leo Gomez, welcome in. Hello, hello. What do you know? It's the Swag Show. Thank you for being here. So it completed the H, but now it might turn into a W. On the 15-minute, if this does not close too far below 50 or 20,550 in 7 minutes, this could be a W, but who knows? Carlos, hello, hello. Milo, Tommy D, welcome in. Anything in a trade? No, nothing's in a trade right now. That is very strange. Just ES London Waves. That's the only thing in a trade right now. We'll see if later's got to drop quite a bit to get into a trade, so who knows if that's going to happen. But hey, thank you for being here. I appreciate each and every one of you hanging out, watching the Swag Show. If you want more information, please email boldbotllc@gmail.com. NQ new range says it's green 350. NQ open was green last night. Carlos S., welcome to the Swaginators. Mount up, thank you for the follow. I appreciate you. Remember, I'm going to be doing a giveaway, 1 free month on Halloween. If you follow me, shoot me a message. DM me saying you're interested in the 1 free month of BoldBot standard subscription. Got one PA still in a short from 650 holding for 407. Nice. Nice, Shane. Let's see. 650. 650. Oh, wow. You got in way up there. And you're going all the way to 407 with it? You're crazy. Too crazy, man. Too crazy, Shane. I don't think you could get all the way down there, man. I don't know, maybe. It's okay. You gotta get below the peepee, though, you know. You gotta get down below the peepee before you could get to the 407, man. And then you gotta break the 500s. You gotta get out of the 500s back into the 400s, you know. Before you can get down there. I don't know. It's gonna be a tough cookie to crumble, you know what I mean? I broke up with my girlfriend because she didn't use proper risk management. Benji, get rid of that cockroach. That's okay. Another Quello should be love me in the morning. You know what I mean, Frankie? Benji, that's the smartest thing you could do, man. She don't use good risk management, get rid of the cockroach. There's more fish in the sea, you know what I mean? You just gotta find another fish who can manage the risk properly, okay? It's not a big deal. I hope you weren't together very long. You could find somebody else, man. I got divorced to the wife, you know, and I had 3 kids with her. You know why? Same reason. She don't have no proper risk management. She blow all the money. She blow it. She think it's water. It just make out of thin air, you know. I gotta say, adios. Get out of here. Forget about it. I love you, girl, but you gotta go. You causing me too many gray hairs and thin hairs, you know. I'm spending all my money. Yeah, gonna be down below 550. Then it can continue down. Otherwise, this might be a W, but we'll see what this candle wants to do. It's kind of just hanging out. Made the big move right at the open. Not a lot of volume for a Monday either, on from what I'm seeing. Literally, there is nothing in a trade right now except for ES London Waves, which took a trade early this morning. Like, it trades at like 2 in the morning, and it's still in the same trade. It's green $37. I'm just saying. It was red like 900, so be happy with that. That is green 37. And if you wanted to close it out, you can close it out. So ES afternoon waves, if you had both of the ES strategies running, they wouldn't interfere with each other. Harasho, welcome in. Hello. Thank you for being here. Thank you for the follows, the likes, the shares. Keep tapping that screen if you know what I mean, Jelly Bean, until your fingers turn green. If we make a W, I owe you one. Okay. Well, I'm just saying, if you look at it on the 15, it's hitting that 200 WMA at 58. And if it can't get below there, it's probably going to go back up. Just in my opinion, I might be wrong, but the volume is red. We'll see what this candle does. If it continues down below 550, then we're going to drop. But if it moves back up into 570, then we're going to probably continue up and make a W. Just from what I've seen and have learned, it's kind of stuck right now in between 550 and 570. So we'll see. We'll see what it does here. Red volume looks like, I don't know. Shane has the book map or whatever it's called open. He could probably see the orders more than I can see. I'm just going off of a couple of indicators on my manual charts, what I'm looking at. I don't know how accurate it is. What am I in? I'm in a trade. What am I in here? What are we in? Are we in later? No, we're not in later. MNQ short. Okay, but what strategy? NQ day waves? Yeah, NQ day waves is in a trade. NQ day waves is in a trade. Let's see. NQ day waves. There we go. NQ day waves is in a trade. This is live action. This is live on my accounts here, guys. Cha-ching. I love that sound. That is the cha-ching cash register. No, it's not later. It's NQ day waves. That's what I'm in right now. That's what I'm showing. It is one of the premium algorithms. Look at that. 360, 400. Go, go, go. 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 Green, green, green is good, good, good. Good, 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 good. What happened? I don't know. Anyway, my music stopped. Yeah, I might just try and manually move this a little bit here to lock in more profit. Ain't nothing wrong with locking in a little profit. What's my take profit? There is none on this one. It's a continuous trail, Alex. So this does not have a take profit. It can run as far as it wants to run. See? There is no take profit on this. It has this trail that will continue to follow as far down as it wants to go. 531 is supply right now, just waiting for it to turn to demand. Yeah, there's the bounce right off of 531. You're right. It came right down to what you just said pretty much. 531. Oh. Yep. That's all right. It's green. I took green. I'm not mad at it. It would have stopped it out right here at like 550 if I would have let it run all the way. Maybe not, but that's okay. Hey, it's my account. I can do what I want. Okay? If I want to move my stop loss, I can move my stop loss and take my profit. I took some profit, and that's good. But yeah. We got 692 now in my Tradeify, sorry, my Tradeify account. 692 on a day one. Day one on that. We're going to take that and be happy with it. Okay? It can run. Okay, it can just keep running. That's all right. I'm not mad at myself. I took my profit. You know, sometimes you just got to do that. I've already made quite a bit today on each account, so not going to get greedy with it. Just going to take profits as they come. And yeah, we'll go from there. What else is in a trade? ES London waves. Later, almost. Let's see. Vizzy short. Here's ES London waves from last night. Now it's finally getting down there. We'll see if later wants to take a trade here on NQ range later. Thank you guys for tuning in, being here with me, watching me trade, and trying to help you guys understand the BoldBot, which is a semi-automated trading algorithm for the futures market. And if you want more information, please email boldbotllc@gmail.com. Tradeify, Apex, Fast Track, and Flowbots. I've got affiliate codes with all those people. Just click on my link tree on my profile and help me help you help others. Thank you for getting above the 5,000 likes. Got about an hour left of the show, guys. What are we going to do with ourselves? We're just sitting here having a blast, having fun, watching the market run. Big sweep there. 531, like Shane said, it can't get through there. Came down 3 times to that 531 level and has bounced off of it all 3 times. So we'll see what's going to happen. Could just be a fake out wick and drive price all the way back up, but who knows? Good morning, Savannah. Hello, hello. Welcome in. We're just chilling, hanging out. This is ES London Waves on the screen right now. A trade that happened early this morning and is still in it. Got up as green as $300 some at one point. NQ day waves could have still been in a trade probably. I don't know. Maybe it probably would have got stopped out there once it got to 550, honestly. So, but that's only because I moved my stop loss closer to lock in more profits. Let me see. Let me show you here. So it got in at 561 and got out at 552 because I moved the stop loss, but it would have locked it in probably right here, I think 557. It would have been real close to getting stopped out if I wouldn't have touched it anyway. So that's all right. I took my little profit, and we you know, we're good. We're gonna shoot for this. Shoot for the consistency each and every day. You got to try and make right around, you know, within a few $100s each day, of the same amount on these prop firms. So how much do you have to make for Tradeify payout? You don't have to make anything when you're funded. When you buy the straight to funded accounts, you don't have. There is no like minimum limit. But the minimum, well, I guess there is. You have to make at least 1,000 because that's the minimum withdrawal. So you'd want to make over $1,000, and I think you have to have 5 days out of 10 be at least $100 in profit. So yeah, $1,000 is what I'm gonna guess is around there, the minimum for a payout on the straight to funded account. But since you asked that, we can try and Google it and see. What's the minimum payout for Tradeify? It says the minimum amount to receive a payout is $250. That's affiliates though, so hold on a minute. Live funded accounts. Options after 8 withdrawals. We don't want options after 8 withdrawals. We just want straight to sim funded. What is straight to funded? Consistency rules, straight to funded. payout policy. Here we go. Straight to funded payout policy. Traders receive 100% of their first $15,000 in profit and 90% of any profits exceeding that amount. This is per trader, not per account. Traders can have a maximum of 7 total simulated funded accounts with any combination of the growth. Payout guidelines. Payout approvals require you abide to Tradeify funded trader agreement. If you have more than one account, each account is treated independently. You may withdraw from each account according to the schedule below. Payout requirement. You must abide by the 20% consistency rule. Minimum days traded. You must trade at least 10 separate days for your first withdrawal and between each subsequent payout request. If this requirement is not made by the end of the period, you may request in the next period. 5 or more days must show a profit of greater than $100. So out of the 10 days, 5 of those days have to be at least $100. Account balance needed. Reach and maintain at least 100 in profit over the trailing max drawdown limit. This is calculated blah, blah, blah. So 7,500. So the minimum balance, actually, you're right. It's 75. So $7,600 you have to make. And then you have to keep $100 in profit over. So there you go. I'm glad you asked, and I'm glad I looked that up. Excuse me. Yeah, user, you're right. I just looked it up. So it's 7,500 before you could take a payout on 150K. It just did a small sweep on NQ. Now it's going back down. William, excuse me, William Bishop. I do both depending on if I'm manually trading or letting the algorithms run, and depending on what account I'm running them on. So I do kind of a mixture of both micros and minis. Yeah, 7,500 before you could take a withdrawal. So that's not bad. I mean, in 10 days, if you made 750 a day, that's 7,500 in 10 days you could take a payout. So, but I'm trying to build up a nice size buffer on there, at least like 5 or 10,000, and then just stay consistent with like a $500 daily goal after that I take my first withdrawal on there. But that's my goal for my Tradeify account. Build it up to the 7,500 as fast as I can, and then make like $500 a day on it. And then that way, every 10 days, I can withdraw $1,000. So yeah, a Charles Schwab trader isn't really cool how algos move the market and correlate to NQ. Oh. Oh, okay. I understand what you were reading. Yeah. Yeah, our algorithms on all products can pick up based on what their strategies and settings are. They each one is different and looks for different settings and things that are happening in the market before they take a trade. That was way turned up. I didn't mean to turn that up so far. But yeah, all the big companies, I'm sure, are using them just the same as us little small fish in the pond here. We're just trying to get a few crumbs and get our piece of the pie too, you know. All right, so there's so much for the W pattern. I don't think it's going to make that W. I think it's going to probably continue down here, but I've been known to be wrong just all along, all the time too, you know what I mean? 11:45 candle opens green and continues up but there's not a lot of upward volume here that I can see. Maybe I'm wrong. I don't know. William Bishop, thank you for the follow. Welcome to the Swaginators. Mount up. I appreciate the follow. I'm looking for NQ to rally here. Yeah, it could. It's got a lot of sell volume on my end that I'm looking above where it's at though to keep it down. So it's going to be hard to get back up above 580, 590 ish. But we shall see. Maybe it will. Maybe I'm completely wrong. I know Shane looks at that book map thing. That gives me headache. It makes me want to throw up. It's like a bunch of tie-dyed, moving tie-dyed pictures. I don't understand how anybody reads that, but some people are good at it and can see things. I look at other things, other indicators and smaller things. 4 different time frames I look at, and about 4 different indicators and tools. And then just what I've learned by watching the market, candlestick pattern, market structure, so on and so forth. Do you know what the New York Stock Exchange tick is? No, I do not. Went green, and so Algo's hammered it lower, not going to rally at the moment. Yeah. There's, I mean, from what I'm seeing volume wise, it looks like a lot of pressure above 559 to keep it down. There's a little bit of a channel here that might bring it back up to 559. But then it's still red volume below this, so it's probably going to continue down here. All the way down at least to the PP, which is the central pivot of 515. We'll see if it can get below 525 and then move to 515, 516, whatever, and then we'll see if it drops even lower back into the 400s. The good old 400s, we'll see if it's going to go back down there. I definitely need some 70s mind help gummies to watch it. Yeah. I'm like, when I look at it, I'm like, whoa. It's like that other thing they did in the 70s that, came on little square pieces of paper that we're not going to mention. But, yeah. Thank you for being here. Thank you for following. I appreciate each and every one of you hanging out. Keep tapping that screen if you know what I mean, Jelly Bean, till your fingers turn green. Help me, help you, help others. Let's get up to 6,000 likes here. Get to 6,000 likes. I'll zoom in and we'll see what we can do for a manual trade for you guys. Oh, I really do think I like the short at 564-ish. If it can't get up above there. It's trying to rally it up. $560 right there. 560 short at 560. Probably. You could probably short at 560. 560. Yep, 560. There it went. Back down. Look at that. Look at that. Anybody watching this? Oh, you're watching ES. Of course not. You can't see it. Here, 560. If you would have shorted right there at 560, it dropped all the way back down. You could have grabbed it easy, like 10 points. $200. Still up 3,400 on the PA trade. There you go. What are you doing? When are you cashing it out? You're really going to try and let it go all the way back down to 400s? You're crazy, man. You're crazy. take the profit and run. 3,400 is a great day. Stretch time, water time. If anybody was listening and could have caught that short at 560, we're down to 540. That's 20 points I just gave you on that short. Let's see, ES. Oil's still in this long on Oracle Oil. Oh, this is another long. It's already green, $420 now on the day. $584 to buy. Yeah. I see that a bunch of buy orders sitting there at 584. That's a bad list though. Or that's a 592 is the VWAP moving down. I don't know. I don't think it's going to be able to hold it. I don't think it's going to go up. It looks like everything's pointing down except for the 200 WMA, but this is ES London Waves. Got in this trade early this morning, and it's still in the trade now. Green, $275. You can move it at any time, your stop loss, if you wanted to, guys. You don't have to just let it close out as a loss. If you wanted to move it in and take a little bit of profit, nothing wrong with that. Especially if you're going to run ES afternoon waves later on this afternoon. So not anymore, Alex. We used to for Santa's purposes. We found most of the time the higher the number, the better Santa did. But anymore, we just don't really worry about that. But it's something we used to look at for Santa. I don't have ES London Waves on my live account, so I'm just going to let it do its thing, and we'll see what it does. There is visual short. Green 210 here, 215. It might be too high actually or too low. Move it up here. There you go. All right. Thank you guys for tuning in. My name is Kyle. This is the Swag Show. What do you know? I'm your host. I go live Monday through Friday, 10:30 to 12:30 Eastern Standard Time, showing you live futures market action trading using BoldBot, a semi-automated trading algorithm on the futures market. And if you want more information, please email boldbotllc@gmail.com. Whew. Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you very much. If you're over on YouTube, make sure you click that thumbs up button. Click the subscribe button, the bell notification, so you know when we go live. Drop a comment down below. I appreciate all the support. Tuning in this morning, watching the live futures market action. We'll see. Oracle. Put Oracle over here on the other screen for the YouTube viewers, so you can look at two different strategies running. This is Oracle CL, or oil. And on the right hand side you got NQ visual short. $300 now on NQ visual short. We'll see if it can get past that 250 or 20,521 and go down to the PP of 20,515, the central pivot that is. And then if it continues to go, here we go. Something's in a trade. Let's find out what it is. Live account trade here coming up. What is it? It's day waves again. Yeah, NQ day waves. NQ day waves in another trade here. We'll see what happens with it. Want it to go down. It's in a short. We want the market to continue to go down. Down, down, down. We just want it to go to those 400s for Shane and for myself now. Anybody else who's in a short, we want it to go down. We need the market to go down, 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 downer. We got a bunch of red over here on the left for the volume. Looking to push down below that 520 all the way to 515. Possibly. Can we do it? I think we can. Just keep tapping that screen. If you know what I mean, jelly bean until your fingers turn green. Drop, drop, drop it like it's hot. The real Zon, welcome in. Hello, welcome. Drop it like it's hot. Drop it like it's hot. Keep on dropping, NQ. Go ahead, please. Go back down to the 400s. Go all the way to 407 for Shane. Let him get that big old trade that he got in way up at 20,650. Thank you for all the likes, the shares, the follows. Keep tapping that screen. Let's drop this NQ price down below 520. Come on. One time. Get down there below 520, and then we can go to 515. Drop, drop, drop. Where's all the sellers at? Sell it, sell it, sell it. Get down below. You silly little whatever you want to call it. What am I in? Positions. Short on NQ day waves. Yeah, there it is. Drop. Drop, drop, drop. Drop, drop, drop. Drop, drop, drop. Drop it like it's hot. Drop. There it is. Guaranteed green. Oh, and it got stopped out. It's all right. It did it all on its own. Micro of $10. It's all right. Hey, a green trade is a green trade. I'm not going to be mad at it. I had it on micros because I already made all my money that I wanted to make on my manual student trade this morning. So I switched everything over to micros because I don't want to risk too much. You got to have good risk management. Isn't that right, Andrew? Or no, that was Benji. Oh, there's Nicholas. I knew that symbol looked familiar. I just couldn't put two and two together that quick. Nicholas is a student of the Bold Bot family. He probably got that short this morning that was called out on the student play of the day morning Zoom call. I made $694 so far on my Tradeify account, $760 on my 10 Apex accounts. Having a magnificent Money Monday morning. Very nice, Alex. Very nice. Now, as long as you're green, be done if you're done for the day. You don't need to force it. You don't need to make a ton. Remember, $100 a day is $2,000 a month per account, guys. Okay? You got to look at it like a normal, regular job. Let's say you worked a normal job. You had to work 8 hours a day. You were making $25 an hour. Well, that's only $200 a day you're making for working 8 hours. So if you can make $200 a day per account trading in 10 minutes, 20 minutes, whatever, be done. Swag. Stop when you're at your goal. That's what swag stands for. SWAG. Stop when at goal. That's what I preach. That's what I teach. That's what I'm here to help you guys learn and do and understand. Once you make your goal for the day, you can turn everything off and walk away, or you can switch over to micros if you're running the algorithms so you're not risking anything other than what you wanted to risk, There you go. Good job, Alex. Nicholas, did you get that student call play of the day? I need to make a t-shirt and sell it. I need to create a merchandise store. All right, so visual short got out of that. Santa not in a trade. Let's see. Oracle oil is still in a trade over here. ES London Waves is still in a trade. Oops, what happened? Good thing I didn't push buy or sell. All right. Let's minimize that. There's this. Put it side by side so YouTube people can see. So you're watching ES London Waves right now from last night, and on YouTube you can see Oracle oil as well. Only two things in a trade. Big Bang Gold's actually in a trade, and Vizzy short. Got about a half an hour left in the program, guys. I appreciate each and every one of you hanging out. Stick around. If you haven't followed me already on TikTok and you want your chance to win one free month of BoldBot standard subscriptions, make sure you drop a like, a comment, follow me on TikTok, and then DM me and say you're interested in the giveaway happening on Halloween. I'm going to be giving away one free month of the standard algorithms on Halloween, brought to you by BoldBot. So make sure you follow me and message me and let me know. 43.30 now, Shane. Good job. Did you cash out? Did you take it? It hit that PP, didn't it? I told you, hit that PP right there at 20,515, the central pivot. That could be the point it wanted to get down to, and now it's going to go back up. Still a lot of red volume candles from what it looks like, but Rad Dad, you can message me on X if you have the old Twitter. I'm on there as well, or Instagram or TikTok. On YouTube, I don't know that I would see it because I'm using the main BoldBot account. But if you went over to my channel, which is BoldBot_Kyle on YouTube, and sent me a message that way, I might be able to see it. But all right, good job, Shane. But you can let me know if you're interested. I'll put your name on the list. And then if you win, I would have to somehow, let me see. Go to channel, remove, put the user in timeout, hide, add as moderator. I don't know how I'd get a hold of you if you don't follow me on... well, I guess if you follow the main channel and you win, I can message you. I can find you that way. So let me put Rad Dad on the list here. For the giveaway. He wants to be included, and that's fine. Guys, you got a great chance of winning. Right now, there's only like 10 people I have signed up. Okay, sounds good. There's only like 10 people signed up so far that I have on the list. So if you're on TikTok and you follow me and you want one free month of the standard algorithms brought to you by BoldBot, just message me, shoot me a message, say you want to be entered in the drawing happening on Halloween. My name is Badam in the Slack group. Oh, okay. And remember, the more people that you refer, if you're already a member of the BoldBot family, if you refer your mom, dad, brother, and sisters, aunts, uncles, cousins, grandmas, grandpas, friends, the more people you refer, the more free months that you get. So make sure you tell everybody you know that you saw it on the Swag Show to come make a little bit of extra dough. BMW, just shoot me a DM if you want to get signed up. Message me. I'll put you on the list. You gotta follow me, and you gotta send me a message. Frank, same thing. Follow me on TikTok and then send me a message. And you can be added to the list. ES London Waves still in this trade. See how far away we are. Pretty close to hitting that trail stop. Zoom it in a little bit so you can see what's going on. And there, it finally hit it. So finally hit it. ES London Waves, $212 on that trade. Oops, that's not what I wanted. Afternoon, there we go. Where's later? I thought later was going to trade. Nope, it popped right back up. Good thing, too, because it was right there. If that would have closed outside of the box, it would have taken a short, and we're on Halloween. The drawing is on Halloween. I will be doing it on Halloween. So you got 3 days to sign up. Gosh, is that it's already this week? 3 days. So make sure you sign up, message me, follow me, and let me know that you are interested in the one free month of the standard algorithms brought to you by BoldBot. Um, that's Oracle. We got Vizzy Long here. Let's try and pull it up. Ow. All right, there we go. Visual long in a trade as well. I don't think that later is going to take a trade unless it drops significantly. But like Shane was saying, this might be, I don't know. It's kind of still stuck in there. Market's a tricky beast, guys. Gotta know what you're doing or just let the algorithms do their thing. Sean, sign you up. Make sure you send me a message. I know you're already in the group, though. I will put you on a list. If you're already set up, you're good to go. And you got to be serious, guys. Don't enter the drawing if you're not serious about joining and trading. Make sure you have some type of account already set up so you're not wasting time once you get, if you win. Make sure you have either an Apex or Tradeify account, NinjaTrader downloaded, set up, ready to go, so we can help you from day one so you're not wasting part of your free month getting set up. We're here to help you, but we can't do everything for you and walk you through every little step. You got to take some initiative and go ahead and get you some accounts on Apex or Tradeify or anybody else that works with NinjaTrader. Get NinjaTrader downloaded, installed, set up, ready to go so we can get you rocking and rolling from day one if you are the winner come Halloween. How long did it take you to sign up for Tradeify? Not very long at all, like 10 minutes. And then I even created the Rise account within about 10 minutes as well. You do have to have like your driver's license and a utility bill to get set up with Rise, which is the way they pay people out. So just FYI, have that stuff ready to go. Andrew, you already have Apex 100K and NinjaTrader. There you go. You're all set up. We shall see. Right now, your chances are looking good. I mean, there's not many people in the drawing so far. They've got 3 days to sign up and message me and let me know. And I'll put everybody who's on my list into one of them random number generator prize picking things on Google. And we shall see what happens. NQ visual long here. I don't know why I'm... There it is. $260, $245. Are there different bots for the subscription? I see on the channel and on TikTok different bots. Yeah, so Motivation Spark. We have 8 different algorithms and about 40 different strategies within those 8 algorithms. So, for example, the algorithms are line, waves, range, scalper, oracle, PBV, zones, and waves. And Big Bang, actually. So I think I might have already said waves. So anyway, there's like 8 different algorithms, okay? And then inside each of those algorithms, there are different strategies. So we have like 8 different algorithms, 30 or close to 40 strategies, and some are standard and some are premium. I'm giving away 1 free month of the standard algorithms on Halloween. If you want to be included in that drawing, make sure you send me a message on TikTok and let me know. Otherwise, on X or YouTube, you can follow me on there as well and send me a message. Let me know you want to be entered in the drawing. I'll do that close to the end of the stream on Halloween this Thursday, 3 days from now, right? Something like that. Yeah. So there we go. The standard algorithms are $500 for the first month, then $1,000 a month after that. And the premium algorithms are $1,500 a month. NQ PBV Night made $1,200. NQ New Range made $350, even though it's a no for today. NQ Day Waves is green like $200. ES London Waves closed out at $212. Yeah, don't send emails about the drawing. Just message me directly on TikTok. I already got you down though, Andrew. Let me double check. I'm pretty sure I already had you down. Yeah, you're already on there. You are already on there, so you're good to go. Watching right now, NQ Visual Long. It is one of the premium strategy algorithms. Risks 200 per trade. Take profit is a trailing stop loss, but a grand overall take profit of 2,000 if it hits the blue line up at the top of the screen. If it does not get up and over this 560, it will probably continue down. Just my opinion. I don't know what Shane's seeing on the psychedelic website, but block. Whatever it's called, I'm going to call it psychedelic website. It's got to get up and over 560, and there it just did. So this could continue. Bookmap, that's what it's called. It could continue to go up. Yeah, this is NQ right now, Alex. This is NQ Visual Long on the line algorithm. Right to 570 and rejected off of that. Let's see where the magic line is. Magic line's up here at 577. Yeah, 577 is the magic line. It did cross over the 200 on the 500 tick chart. So we'll see if this is the move up. You just banked 300 off of that. Very nice. Very nice. Coming up to a small fair value gap window here. And it's got a big one up there above 590, about 590-ish. No, 585-ish. It's where it starts. So yeah. Nothing else in the trade here except Big Bang Gold. But we'll leave it on NQ Visual Long here until the end of the show. 7 minutes away. Thank you for being here. I appreciate it. 585, 594 OB. Yeah, I see it. I think. 585, yeah, to 594. Yeah, something weird. I don't. Let me hover over that so I can see if I'm in the right spot. 585, 594. Oh, okay. Yeah, I kind of see what you're talking about, maybe. I'm looking at the right candlestick wick and the fair. Now the wick got up to 572 there, which is above the previous, so. Yeah, that's 627 to 638 ish. I've got that as a FVG as well, using the VWAP thingamabobber or something. Maybe it's a different thing. I don't know. I use so many different things, I don't even know what they're called anymore. VMA, the WMA, the VWAP, the ICTFG. Yeah, the fair value gap. That's the thing I'm talking about. Mm-hmm. Yeah, so when you're saying retesting, that means we've already been there once and couldn't get through, and now we're excuse me, trying to get back up and over that again. For anybody that doesn't know, I'm pretty sure that's the lingo that Shane's trying to explain, and from what I've learned about what a retest is. If it can't get through here and close above 561-ish, then it might be forced to go back down, but we shall see. Could just be another little hump in the road or whatever. What order submitted on what? What do we got going over here? Let me see. Visi Long and Big Bang Gold. Nope, just two things still in a trade. Now I'm showing you visual long, so 553. I don't see one. On my thing anyway, it didn't produce one on whatever indicator tool thing that I'm using, but not to say that it isn't there. All right, guys. Well, I got a Zoom call I got to do here. At least one of them, if not two of them, when I get done with the stream today. But I will be back tomorrow. We will be back tomorrow starting at 9:30 Eastern Time with Jen and Lauren, probably on TikTok and YouTube. We go live Monday through Friday, 9:30 to 12:30, starting off the day with the bold bot beauties of Lauren and Jen, and then I come on at 10:30 to 12:30, showing you more live futures market trading using bold bot, a semi-automated trading algorithm on the futures market. If you want more information, please email boldbotllc@gmail.com. Thank you for being here. Thank you for tuning in. Make sure that you tell somebody you love them, give them a hug. Drop a like, subscribe, and comment down below. Also, remember, if you want to enter in the drawing, message me, and I will be back mañana. All right? So everybody have a great rest of your day. Peace, love. Give some